back in the channel?
Yeah, back on the channel.
What we got now?
Some time off for, you know, deer season, and we got the 392 Wrangler. I got tired of getting stuck. So, it just comes in handier on the farm. We got rid of the Cadillac. I know everybody's going to be pissed about that, but we got rid of the Cadillac. Got a pretty good deal on it. What else did I get rid of? Oh yeah, the F-150's gone too. So, if you want to see it, you'll have to go to Bailey's Hyper Performance now. Basically, I was offered a 392 Durango, and I started to do the deal, and then I got to thinking about the ranch and everything, or the ranches, and I was like, you know, that's got a lot of plastic in it, and I would really like something that was off-road capable. And he's like, well, it's all-wheel drive. And I was like, we'll think about it. So I was on the way out of their parking lot, and I drove by this, and I saw 392 on the hood, and I was like, hey, what about that? And he's like, we could do that. So there's also something else coming that is going to make a lot less noise than this, but, you know, it should be here by the end of the month. It'll be all black. So
got another road trip.
Yep. It's gonna be nice and quiet.
No way, this is a Jeep. Hey, that's sick.
Yeah, so it does some really dumb stuff too.
Wow. This pulls.
Yeah, and it never stops. It's the crazy thing about it.
NA, right?
Yeah, it's all NA 392. Same 8-speed that's, you know, basically in the Hellcats and everything else. It drives like a stock one. You know, or drives like a 6-cylinder one would. I guess it is a stock one.
Right.
But we haven't touched anything on it. The only thing I don't like about it is it's got this stupid MDS system on it. And I think that needs to die. So, Dodge, if you're listening, get rid of that, like, forever. So, I like it. The only thing I hate about it, so looking at it, where do you set your phone?
Right there, Lucas.
Yeah, but what phones fit in there? What if you have 2 drinks in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so, you know, you can put your phone up here, and then when you do a boosted launch, or not boosted launch, but a launch, it'll like boost launch right into your face.
Yeah.
So, you got that issue. Somebody's Rock Auto package was like way off in the ditch over there. Need to go in there. Is that my belt, man? So, we got that to contend with. Other than that, everything is, it drives like a regular 392 Rubicon, but it just rides so nice. I love this thing. I have we'll be over 5,000 miles probably before we get back home. So I got the first oil change about 400 miles ago. I've been running it back and forth to our ranch and hunting out of it. Yeah, there's mud on the floor covers on it, but you have to do that. That's required if you have a Jeep, I think.
That's what they're for.
Yeah, that's it. Let's see what we can do with this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. I think it wheelied.
I hope my wife doesn't watch this video because she's been wanting one.
Yeah, so I think it legit wheelied when we left.
Yeah, I don't know if they'll be able to appreciate it, but like, it's sick.
Yeah, I mean, it's not supercharged.
It puts you back though.
No, dude, it never runs out of gun.
Is this thing light or something?
It's lighter than most SUVs. I think they weigh like 45 or 46.
Because we had the Hellcat Durango, remember?
Yep.
It did not feel like that.
No, it felt a lot heavier.
Yeah. Damn, that is sick. And it's fully loaded, fully decked out.
Yeah, they got
Big
everything.
screen.
You can get a rollback roof, but you have to use the soft top, and I didn't want that.
Oh no.
I wanted the hard top. The top will never probably come off on mine.
Yeah, it's
You
too
know.
hot in Texas.
Yeah, it's too hot, and then it's just, it introduces leaks and stuff like that. You know, I have sunroofs and have in my vehicles, and I hate them. So,
Yo, damn, that's sick. That's
Yeah.
pretty cool. I like this.
yeah, this thing is so fun.
This car is freaking nice. And it does handle pretty good.
Yeah, it's like the T-Rex. It has body roll,
Yeah.
but it's solid axle. So you expect that with a solid axle vehicle.
You miss your T-Rex?
Every once in a while I do. Like during deer season, when I shot that deer and I was in this, I was like, shit, I wish I had my truck. But overall, this is way more capable. You know, this thing,
This is built for that.
yeah, it does stupid stuff. So I just have a rack that I put on the back of it to put my deer on now.
Okay.
And like if I'm taking a customer out to the field to guide them or something like that, it just makes it, this thing makes it so easy to do that kind of stuff. So, and it drives so good. Now it gets horrible mileage. I will tell anybody that has one of these, it gets like 14 miles a gallon if you're lucky.
That's just because you want to hear the roar every time.
Yeah, that's kind of me, probably. I actually could probably get like 15 or 16 out of it. But I'm brutal.
That's still not bad though.
No,
to
not,
be honest, it's
not
really
with
not that bad.
35s, you know.
Yeah.
And they have, I think they have 410s or something like that from the factory.
Oh, okay.
We'll try to send it right here, see if it'll let me send it. I'll make sure I don't wreck it over here. Oh.
You're definitely wheeling a little bit. Definitely.
I have so much fun in this thing. I really do. This thing's stupid.
That's crazy. I bet you it acts the same way in the dirt too.
Oh yeah, it's like, for the most part, the reason I like the Jeep is you got full lockers, front and rear. You can lock the front and rear differentials. And then like, so you know when you tear up a field, it's usually because the tires are spinning.
Yeah.
So if you have a system that allows you, I'll go ahead and turn that back on now. If you have a system that allows you to do all the good fun stuff, but doesn't spin, like I can idle my way to the back. If I put this thing in low, we could actually take a road up here. I'll show you on this road. So I'll throw this thing into low. Let me push it neutral. Okay, auto parts disabled. And then we'll drop a lock front and rears. Okay, disconnect the sway bar. And I'll just put it in gear and let it take off. That's how low gear. There's third, fourth, fifth.
Dang.
Yeah.
That feels really smooth.
Yeah, it definitely is. And then, you know, if you don't want to do that, you just turn your everything off. Push this. Oh, gotta put it in neutral first. Then you're in 4 high again. Sway bar still disconnected. It'll make the ride smoother. What that allows is the front end to articulate. The front,
Independent from the rear.
yeah, so like like I can right now I can drop one side of the axle, like I think it's 18 inches or something like that if I need to. Like if I was on something that really required some rough ground handling, that's what the sway bar is for. Is the sway bar on these things is like in a turn, like when you go over a certain mile an hour, you see sway bars flashing. The sway bar will connect automatically, whether you have it set to disconnect or not, which is annoying, but I understand why they do it. You know, you can see down through here that this is not the road for the average vehicle.
Yeah.
And if it's wet, even less so. I know this road because I grew up here.